Hey everyone, welcome back to Divine Alchemy Tarot. Today's video is not about predictions, not about zodiac signs, and not even about tarot cards in usual sense. Today is about something deeper, something many of us are facing silently. It's about love, faith, and family. It's about what happens when two people from different religions come together, not in conflict but in love. You know, spirituality has taught me one thing: love never asks which God you pray to. Love only asks, can you be kind? Can you be loyal? Can you stand by each other, especially when others don't? Right? So, let me give you a few examples here. Even in Mahabharata, Krishna never asked Draupadi what her religion was before protecting her, and he just stood by her because of love, devotion, faith, and purity of intention. Also, in the Bible, Jesus sat with those from all walks of life, not once asking which religion they belong to. He healed each one of them based on a lot of compassion and not identity. So, whether it's Krishna or Jesus or any other god, the message was same, and I feel we all should also follow the same by putting love first, kindness first, and humanity first. Because, guys, I have come across a line recently that said, a house becomes a home only when love leads, not rituals, not religion, not rules. And that really touched my heart for some reason. I also know, as I read for most of you people, and also a lot of newbies to be, I see that many couples today come from different faiths and face a lot of storms, not only because they don't love each other, but because the world tries to make that love fit into a box, right? Society says choose religion, families say follow our way, but the heart says, why can't I just love without any conditions, right? And that's true, guys. We forget that God is love. God is not division. God is not fear. God is not pressure. If two souls meet with pure intentions, that itself is very divine. And to bring in a little bit of tarot perspective today, I pulled a card while thinking of everyone who is fighting for love in middle of pressure and resistance, and it was nothing but the Lovers card, right? So I would say the Lovers in tarot is not just talking about romance. It's about making choices from heart, not from fear of any obligation. It's about standing in authenticity even when surrounded by a lot of expectations, right? It is a reminder that when love is real, the connection is sacred, and I would say protected by the divine, no matter how many challenges come in your way, right? So if you are someone who's loving across religions, castes, cultures, or beliefs, I want to tell you one thing: your love is not a mistake. Your relationship is not a rebellion. It is simply two souls recognizing each other beyond human boundaries. And yes, there may be challenges. Yes, there may be resistance. But destiny doesn't bring two people together only to separate them because of rituals or rules. Love is chosen every day, and love that is chosen every day despite differences is the most powerful and beautiful love of all, right? And if you're watching this as a parent, a sibling, or a family member, maybe this is a gentle reminder: don't filter love through religion. Don't put conditions on the happiness of someone you care about. When you bless a relationship, you bless your own family lineage. And when you support love, you kind of are, let's say, supporting God's work, because God never separates people in love. Humans do, right? If you're experiencing these kind of situations, or if you are someone who are going through this situation right now while you're watching this video, I am sending you so much strength, courage, and blessings Whoever you love, may that love be protected. May peace enter your home. May your family soften, and may love and life become more and more kinder to you. Thank you for listening with an open heart today. And if you resonated with this message, tell me that in the comments. I have one question to ask. Which religion do you believe in? Love or labels? Okay, and if you guys believe in love, which I hope you do, please comment "Love is my religion" in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next reading. Until then, stay blessed, stay protected, and always, always, always choose love. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, guys. Love you all.